Have you ever asked students to share their ideas, but some of them were not ready to speak? They may have great ideas, but they hesitate, feel shy, or struggle to express themselves clearly in front of others, or even fully online. With PopPop AI, educators and students can turn written text into natural sounding voice. Instead of only typing ideas, students can hear their words spoken aloud. This gives them another way to express themselves, practice language, and share their thoughts with confidence. One of the most valuable features of PopPop AI is the library of voices. Teachers and students can choose from different voices to match the purpose of the message, the tone of the activity, and the needs of the learners. This makes the experience more personal, more engaging, and more meaningful. A warm voice can be used for instructions. A clear voice can be used for explanations. And different voices can help students hear how ideas sound when expressed in different ways. For teachers like me, PopPop AI can be used to provide instructions in both text and voice. This is especially important for accessibility and in online courses. Moodle activities, assignments, and classroom tasks where students may need to hear the instructions more than once. They can read the task, listen to it, and understand what they need to do at their own pace. PopPop AI text-to-speech gives you a simple way to make ideas easier to share, easier to hear, and easier to understand. Let me show you how it works. First thing I do is create an account. Once I have an account, I'm logged in and ready to go with a text-to-speech. Going to notice here, choose from the library one of these amazing voices. Notice female, neutral, male, and so on. I can also select the language that I want. Notice there are various languages besides English, and whether I want neutral in English, female, I get a choice of female, male, or I get a combination of everyone. I also can have my own voices if I cloned my voice, which I have here. Let me go back to PopPop AI voices. Choose one. I'm going to choose Amy. There we go. Now, notice the default here. I can have angry. And this is great for role-playing or in general, if that's what you want to portray or your students want to portray. Cheerful, excited. I'm going to go with excited, but notice the various possibilities here. So excited. I'm going to add instructions. Yes, exciting instructions for one of my Moodle courses. And notice here, these are the instructions. And they're by text. I'm going to keep the text, but I'm also going to have the voice. So hit generate once everything's ready, and I'm ready to go. That was really, really fast. That was super fast. And now you get a chance to hear it.
Create a quiz related to your course syllabus using all of these AI tools. You may wish to find a YouTube video and use it for the activities. Please paste the links of your public shared work in the message area. Quiz Roshi a quizzes pro profs kafanotep.
All right, I'm not sure that I like that voice. It didn't come out as I wanted it to. And maybe excited is a bit ridiculous for instructions. Maybe they should be something else, like maybe default. Default's always my best bet. And then I may want to choose another voice just to show you. Let me choose Dylan here.
There are 4 gas giants.
I think I like Dylan, so there we go. There's Dylan. And let's generate Dylan and listen to what he sounds like.
Create a quiz related to your course syllabus using all of these AI tools. You may wish to find a YouTube video
Love it. All right, that's perfect. Next, notice I can download it at the bottom right here into my computer. What I normally do is I download it to my computer and upload it to Google Drive and share it that way. Done that, gone through Google Drive, and now I'm going to go into the settings and add it in addition to my text instructions. This is really important for many who prefer to have the instructions by voice. And I'm going to share it in my Moodle course in the instructions by going into settings. You don't have to do this yourself. You can do it anywhere else, but since I'm using it on Moodle, I'm going to add it here, and I'll add it after the, there we go. There's the link from Google Drive. Let me save and display so you can see it. And here is the audio, text to speech.
Create a quiz related to your course syllabus using all of these AI tools.
Isn't that absolutely amazing? So this is what you can do if you're teaching fully online or if you're teaching in blended formats, is to simply add not only text instructions, but also instructions that they can hear over and over again. If you like, please subscribe and show that you like. Ask questions in the comment box below and tell me, how are you going to use PopPop AI text to speech